Alrighty, last two examples, and then I'll let you try a few on your own here. Example 3 says solve for C, log base 81 of C equals 5/4 power. So since C is in here, we're going to go ahead and write it in exponential form so that hopefully we'll be able to actually evaluate something here. So exponential form, we would bring this 5/4 in here and put it on the 81. So we'd have 81 to the 5/4 power, and the C would get kicked outside, so equals C. Alrighty, so actually, very simply, look at that. We just have to evaluate what is 81 to the 5/4 power, and that'll give us what C is. So let's go ahead and grab our calculators. So 81 to the 5/4 power. Boom, there we go. 243 is our answer. So C here is 243, okay? So there you go, 243. Easy enough, don't you think? Next problem says find Z if log base Z of 8 equals 3/4. Now not quite the same problem because before we had our variable here and now we have it as our base, but it would still be helpful to write this guy in exponential form. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So we have Z to the 3/4 power, and then the 8 gets kicked outside, so equals 8. Okay. Now, not quite as easy as popping it into your calculator, but we have Z to the 3/4 power, and all we have to do to get rid of a 3/4 power, you guys remember this from the last unit, was take it to the 4/3 power, and those exponents would cancel out there. But of course, what we do to the left, we have to do to the right, so to the 4/3 power. And here, the 3's and the 4's all cancel out, so those powers cancel, and I'm just left with Z equals, and then 8 to the 4/3, we actually have to figure out what that is. So 8 to the 4/3, so 8 to the 4/3, and voila, that's 16. So there's our answer. 16 is what Z is. So Z is 16, and that's what they asked us to find. So we know log base 16 of 8 gives us 3/4. Okay? Okay, a couple more for you guys to try, so try it. I want you to have these done when you come to class tomorrow. Number 1 I want you guys to try is going to be evaluate. So we're just going to evaluate here for a sec. Evaluate. So 1, you're going to evaluate log base 9 of 81. Tell me what that is. Then you are going to evaluate log base 9 to the 1/9 power. And then this last one you're going to solve. And so number 3, you're going to solve. Let's do log base x of 9 equals 2/3. Okay, give you a little bit of a challenge there. So do all 3 of those problems, and please come with them with your answers for tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice night.